thing that you want to unplug is the in-ears. So you always leave the yellow one in. Remember, the gray is long for the keyboard and the electric guitar. The black and blue, those are regular size, but always leave the yellow in. Don't unplug the yellow. Then there's one other thing that's really important. This comes from the Singer's Behringer, and it is in their phone jack. This needs to get wrapped up. This gets wrapped up and placed. It lives from inside this box.
Where does it go?
It gets wrapped up and put right in that box, right on top.
On top, right there.
Right there.
Cool.
Yep, and then all of these packs go in the top of that.
On top of that.
Yep.
Perfect. Thanks.